You've been lied to about cracking your knuckles. It does not cause arthritis. That popping sound? It's not your bones grinding, it's gas. Inside your joints is fluid. When you stretch your fingers, pressure drops. Tiny gas bubbles form and collapse. That's the pop. You're not damaging bone. You're not wearing down cartilage. Multiple studies found no link to arthritis. The only downside? If you crack constantly, you might reduce grip strength slightly. So no, you're not destroying your hands. You're just releasing pressure.